Hi boys and girls, we're back with coronavirus video day 4. Today we're looking at reteaching 9.4, which is in your Thursday packet, and we're writing rules for different situations. This goes right along with finding a rule to a pattern and working with tables. So remember, when we work with tables, it's important to find a rule that works for all pairs of numbers, not just the first ones. So we need to test out what we think is the rule, because it has to work for everything in the table. So in this table, we're going from left to right. We have an old price and a new price. So these two numbers are a pair. We know that something happens to turn the $15 old price to a $10 new price. Now it's going down, so I know that it's either subtraction or division. Now I don't know any fact families that include 10 and 15 that are division fact families, but I do know that if I subtract 5 from 15, I will get 10. Now I can't say that that's my rule yet until I check it with all the other numbers. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to see if 22 minus 5 also equals 17, which it does. 28 minus 5 equals 23. 37 minus 5 equals 32. And 51 minus 5 equals 46. Now notice that these numbers going down have no real pattern. Our pattern is going across the table for this table. So our rule for this table is going to be subtract 5. That rule will allow me to continue that table if I need to. Let's look at a couple of examples. We're going to find the missing numbers in each table. So in number 1, we're still going from left to right, and we see that we have $21 earned and $14 spent. Well, I can see that those numbers are going down, so I know that I'm either going to subtract or divide. 21 minus 7 equals 14, but let's check to see if that works for all of them. 30 minus 7 equals 23. I don't have anything for 42, so I'm going to skip it and make sure that 48 minus 7 equals $41, which it does. So I feel confident that our rule is subtract 7. Now we also need to find the missing numbers in the table. So I'm going to do 59 minus 7, and I'm going to get, that's right, 52. Now I'm going to do 42 minus 7, and I'm going to get $35. So I've filled in my chart and I have written my rule. Looking at number 2, we're talking about teams and the number of players on the team. We need to find the pattern. It's going up, so I know that I'm either adding or multiplying. Now, when I look down my chart, I see that we are going for a big jump, 3 to 27, 8 to 72, and 2 to 18. This is looking more like a multiplication pattern to me because of the large difference in numbers. I also know that 3 times 9 is 27, 8 times 9 is 72, and 2 times 9 is 18. So I feel confident that our rule can be multiply by 9. Then I need to extend the table. 6 times 9, remember your 9 facts, 6 times 9 is 54, and 9 times 9, this is a favorite, those doubles, 81. Our last problem is about tickets and how much they cost. So 2 tickets are going to cost $1. Now I could, this is going from 2 to 1, so it's getting smaller, so I know that I am subtracting or dividing. I could just subtract 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. But then I have 6 minus 1, and that does not equal 3. So I don't think that this is going to be a subtraction problem. That must mean that I need to use a division fact. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 6 divided by 2, that equals 3. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So this rule is going to be a division fact rule. Divide by 2. To finish my problem, I'm going to divide by 2 and get $6. Divide by 2 and get $10.